Good morning everyone. Total sinimulan na ng idol kong si Dr. Andrew Rigacho. Let's try to do this, no? Kayo ba? Kaya nyo to? Subukan natin. Okay? Dr. Andrew Rigacho is now on his 22nd day, if I'm not mistaken, of the 25 push-up challenge for 25 days. Kaya niya. Kaya ko ba? Sa tingin nyo? Tingnan natin. Hindi ko rin alam eh. 10 nga, hirap ako. So, subukan natin to. Game, bahala na. Magandang araw sa inyo lahat. This is Dr. Steve Almonte and welcome to my YouTube channel, The Dentist is In. Today we're going to talk about a different topic. But before that, it's MECQ Manila 4th day. So, pang-apat na araw po ng... And so, today we have a different topic to talk about. No? While I was busy monitoring the number of COVID cases, siya nga pala, we are now number 1. No? Now we just surpassed Indonesia. Sabi nga ng isang kaibigan ko, move over Canada. Because here comes the Philippines. Now, Southeast Asia, we're number 1 again. But because of Bangladesh, Pakistan, and Turkey, and of course, China, in Asia, parang Philippines na yung isa sa pinakamataas, no? Nasa top 4 na tayo, pang-4 o pang-5 na tayo sa buong Asia. So, in this state of pandemic that we're having right now, a lot of our kababayans, a lot of us are undergoing mental health problems, mental health issues, no? So lately, we saw something over at Facebook that's trying its best to help us to cope up with this situation that we're having, and that is what I'm pertaining to is the 25 push-up challenge, no? To which I was nominated, no, by a good friend, Dr. Andrew Rigacho, no? Alam mo, Doc Andrew, taas ng respeto kasi, pero parang nawala nung i-nominate mo ako. Biro lang, Doc Andrew, but I thank you for creating such awareness under your ranks, no? Saan nga ba nagsimula itong 25 push-up challenge? Well, in the Philippines right now, we're seeing it as a way to cope up with mental health issues. Kaya maraming mga kababayan natin na nag-accept ng challenge at ginagawa yung challenge. Dr. Andrew Rigacho is, by the way, is already in his 22nd, no? Si Sir is a former military man, brigadier general. Alam ko, isa siyang general, isa sa mga general na hinahangaan ko bukod kay Carlos Buendia, na talaga namang napaka-husay, napakatikas, napakagilas na tao, no? So, he's retired. He's, of course, he has reached his senior years already, pero wow, parang minamani niya yung kanyang push-up challenge, 25 push-up challenge, no? Napakagaling, napakahusay talaga. And this time, he nominated me. Then, I posted it over at Facebook. Sabi ko, kaya ko ba? Thank you sa mga friends who believes in me. Pero sa totoo lang, tinitignan ko pa lang, nagdidilim na yung paningin ko. So, hirap po talaga. Pero, let's see if I can do it. But first, on to this YouTube channel, no? Well, push-up challenge came about way back 2018, no? It was actually in my research, I found out that the Australian Mental Health Association actually started this, no? In Australia, apparently, a lot of young, no, 15 to 44 years old commit suicide, no? And it specifically, this association came up with this because 25 years old and below, napakataas ng suicide, no? Suicide ng mga cases na nangyayari sa Australia. So that's why they came up with this, to number 1, to show their support to the children, no, a young age, that they're not alone. Of course, to promote fitness and mental health as well, no? So community spirit yung pinopromote nila dito. One group actually was trying to raise 3,046 push-ups, and they're encouraging communities na magtulungan para ma-reach yun, and they submit it. Yung iba naman, ginagawa siyang fundraiser. So, certain donation, before nila, kasama na rin sa pag-push-up, mag-donate sila. And each day, you're supposed to nominate someone. Ito nga, on the 22nd day, ako po ay ni-nominate ni Dr. Andrew, no? But last year actually there was another an article that I read, no, last August 7, 2020, about transforming your body, no? So marami naman daw benefits, no? Arms, chest, back, and of course the core. Lahat tayo problema yung core, mahirap talaga. Even most of those who have been doing gym exercises, running, no? Kahit ano pang sports yan, golf, or simply kahit tennis, no, lahat ng basketball, importante talaga yung core, and core is really difficult to develop, no. They're encouraging, there's a 50 repetitions in 1 month, no. This was one challenge of one article na ginawa. There's supposed to be this push-up guru in New York, John Zetlin, and doon nga tayo nagsimula na you're supposed to nominate one person to do that 25 push-ups, no. Ganun din, meron siyang donation. Quite recently, June 7, 2020, no less than, no, the famous actor si Wolverine, no, si Hugh Jackman. So ginawa niya yung 25 push-ups, no, challenge. Sinimulan niya, walang nag-nominate sa kanya, pero just for him to show his support doon sa Australian Mental Health Association, ginawa niya. So kaya ko ba? Sa tingin niyo, we're in the 4th day of quarantine. Subukan natin. Wala namang mawala. Again, I believe it's a form of exercise, like I always said, no. Mental health is actually very important at this point, no. Kailangan lahat tayo fit, body and mentally as well, physically and mentally. I think General Rigacho did this to help out yung mga retired soldiers, no, who have been also suffering from mental health issues. In fact, last May, there was an article that's published in the Philippine Daily Inquirer. It says there na it's telling military men to be careful in posting vital information that could reveal identity, because pwede nga namang magkaroon ng identity theft or issues dito, no, kapag hindi yung maingat sa pagpo-post ng mga certain important details ng isang tao. So advice lang, mag-ingat tayo in posting, lalo na pag nagtatag tayo. But I encourage you, let's do the push-up challenge. Bahala na. Itong si Delio Fadul, subukan natin. Ino-nominate kita. Anyways, this is Dr. Steve Almonte and the dentist is in. Highly encouraging everyone, if you're in good health, if you're good heart, no, and hindi naman kailangan fit, no. Importante lang that you're in good physical condition to do this for our mental health and to support camaraderie. Let's do the 25 push-up challenge. Bahala na, Diyos ko Lord, nagdidilim ang paningin ko. Let's do this.
God, why am I doing this? Wala akong daya yan. Okay. Let's do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Oh my God. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Hirap na yung 5. Hindi na makababa. Naabot ba ako ng 25 days? Idol Andrew, subukan natin. Day 1 completed. August 7, 2020. Alright.